outside looking underwater. I can't really do it. Can you do it? Can you open your eyes? We're in Granny Pool today.
It's like very segregated. It's very much white in here.
Very white and very old. Looking a bit sludge. We got a bit of steaming yesterday. Met loads of Americans.
They were really cool. We made friends.
Yeah, we'll see on it. We're playing that shit, but at like 2 AM. Tic-tac-toe, or what do we call it?
4 in a row.
4 in a row, because you put 4 of them in a row.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're in boring pool today. No music at all. For now, in about an hour, go get a KFC. Fuck, gonna be deep in that. Bad.
Yeah.
What we're doing today?
Getting a KFC.
Oh, baby.
Can't wait.
Just no drowning, standing in a fucking 1 metre pool.
Oh, it's alright. It's 4 foot. It's smaller than me.
We're gonna go over to the mall.
To the mall.
Over the road. Get some chicken. KFC, they do apparently a barbecue chicken that they don't do anywhere else. And it's the only place that does original recipe, because a guy was telling us yesterday, a Jamaican Rastafari, we're telling us yesterday that the colonel who actually like started it is from, well, lived in Jamaica, and he's always kept the recipe the same. So another fat scram, why the fuck would you become an historian? What are you on about? No one gives a fuck, mate. Just eat some KFC and show.
Back again, like sounds like.
I'm off to the room to go.
In the World War.
Have to smoke a fat in room, see in a bit. Shaolin monk. Shaolin monk.
We're good. He's fine.
I'm teaching you how to count Japanese. Honda, Honda, Mitsubishi. You're not clapping. Let's go. What's the time on that? And time. 1, 3, go. Oh, we got a swimmer. 1, 3, go. 3, 2, 1, for the DJ. Making that enough. Quick as hell. Fastest man alive.
I don't know
Burgers, trash. Booking holiday while we're on holiday. Where we're looking at. £7 grand.
Yeah.
No. So earlier on we also fucked off as KFC because we were greedy and had jerk chicken and rice in between. And then we had some patties from the sports bar. Just had some tea. Goodbye, it's a bit windy. So we're going to go to KFC tomorrow instead. and have fat scrans, one of the savers then. And just go tomorrow. So tonight we're just going to have a few drinks. Steady, because we were fucked last night, weren't we? But yeah.
Jamaican toast, two of them. No, three actually. So when God made man, he used the string, he had too much, so he left a little swing. When God made woman, he used the lace, he didn't have much, so he left a little space. Cheers to nipples, because without them, boobs would be pointless. And last but not least, if this was a river and I was a duck, I'd swim to the base and then make my way up. But since this shot ain't a river and I'm not a duck, I'm gonna take this shot and get fucked up.
Take a shot then.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful.
I've done this like I'm trying to blow into the top. How come?
Look at this. Come on, Neil. Watching us.
Okay, sure, you know. She's very bad.
Yeah, man.
Expensive vehicles in Jamaica.
Alright then.
Yeah. Crazy money for that.
Yeah. Too much. Oh yeah.
Read the back, read the back.
You don't need an expensive car, you get your roller skates.
That's right. Yeah, I don't need it, I just push.
Yeah. On a Monday.
Yeah? I hope it's like
Busy. I know. Oh yeah, we better do. What have we tried? What have we tried? What have we tried? What have we tried? Five.
I don't know what that is. But
Five.
It's really
Fives. Wings.
It's got some biscuit, some wings, some chickens.
Scone biscuits. We call us scone. That's what's it. Scone.
So what trying so far, you trying the original and the spicy.
This is a spicy wing.
So that's a spicy style, yeah.
Spicy good.
So you
Bah.
can take a bite and see.
Yeah, come on. We
Get the
need
reaction.
a rating out of 10. Out of 10.
I don't want to go more.
What is out of 10?
10.
This. Basically, KA black grape. Beautiful.
Very nice.
KFC, Pen. The guy that we're with is called Mario. Obviously he works here, but he wasn't like being like a tour guide or some shit. He just actually wanted to come for a scran. Like, we get on with him. His sound is 26 as well, same age as us. Yeah, he just wanted to come get some food. He's chilling. But yeah, so now I think I'm just gonna chill out for a bit. What are we doing tonight, Becky? What are we doing? What are we doing?
I'm down.
Oh shit. I can't
It's new best mate.
can't remember what's on tonight.
I'll ask Gary.
Ask his new pal.
Presenting it tonight.
No, when I can't remember. Might be. We'll see. It's smart anyway. Becky's reviewing the goods.
Reviews.
Says it's shit. Take it down. DG. What's up, these? Gone out to the beach again. Beach or pool. Chill out for a bit, have a couple of drinks. drinks, maybe food, but I'm still full from this.
Yeah.
Full.
I've ate a whole fucking chicken
Yeah.
and a half.
These chickens are on steroids out here as well.
Yeah, there's some of those chickens.
And then it's rock night, that's what it is. I forgot earlier.
Rock and roll lectures.
Yes, like Bon Jovi and shit. What did the Mario start singing earlier?
I don't know. I know it, but I don't.
Do you know what? We haven't even experienced proper like reggae music yet. It's been Afro beat, not an Afro beat. It's been like dancehall and like American rap and stuff. Like booty shaking songs on it. We want some proper reggae. Last night we were apparently supposed to be reggae, but then
Fat Storm.
yeah, they had that mad old storm. Yes! Yep. Hey! Go on, Becky, kick! Yes! Yes! Oh, you lot, Becky, oh, you! Yep. Ooh! Ooh, what? I didn't want. He's dead. Done. Oh, see you later.
They got like 100 panels, man. They got like 100 panels.
Come on.
No! Well done.
Losers.
Very well.
Losers. Yes.
Well played. I'm sorry, I'm not a good goalie. Well played. Well played. Well played.
What are we doing tonight? What's on tonight?
Tonight is rock night. Are you gonna teach me a dance?
Yeah.
I'm Mario. I'm in the animation team.
You look like a Donald Trump supporter.
Not a Donald Trump.